Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Princess Justice. If you're new, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And today I am coming on here to do an ACV rinse, meaning that I'm 4 years locked. I typically do my ACV rinses in June, but because time got ahead of me and I haven't had time to do it, I'm doing it now. So as you guys can see, the water is clear at the moment. So this is what the water looks like. Clear. That is what the water looks like before I put everything in it to do my ACV rinse. So what I'm going to be using for my ACV rinse is pure baking soda, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar with mother. Like, you have to use this specific apple cider vinegar, no other one, this specific one. I did use measurements for my ACV rinse during my 1 year because I wasn't sure what was what. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the stuff in. You have to make sure that the water is filled all the way up so that your hair can soak in everything. I'm using a lot of baking soda because the majority of the stuff that takes out the dirt is the baking soda. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. And some lemon juice. And then you just go ahead and dump it. Let's go.
This verse starts as my snipers hit their marks and your guards fall down from a rifle to the heart like clap, clap. Let them fall slow. I know you had your fears, you could let them all go. And most women are motivated, so I act accordingly. But this is so refreshing that it means a little more to me. Dedicating time when I really can't afford to be. I'll provide protection if you open up the door for me. Couple stares, couple texts, couple dates, couple I think that we're ready, couple I think we should wait. Are we acting like a couple? I'm just trying to get it straight, cause I'm over here convinced that it's too early for mistakes. And then
you have to change it.
So as you can see, this is what the water looks like when I'm done with the ACV rinse. So now that I'm done with my ACV rinse, I'm now going to thoroughly wash my hair. So I'm going to be using the Suave Almond and Shea Butter Moisturizing Shampoo, which is this, along with the Suave Almond and Shea Butter Moisturizing Conditioner, which is this. The only products that I use on my hair when washing my hair is Suave. That's it. I don't use any other products other than Suave. So when I'm washing my hair with the conditioner, I use very little and I only use it once. I don't use a lot of conditioner on my hair, but I do use a lot of shampoo. So I'm going to show you guys how I wash my hair.
Reaches, I might burn you.
a little pussy hoe with some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches, making back hoe. Two-tone Cartier, matching nails hoe. No competition, these bitches fat hoe. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers hoe. Say they get money, but I can't tell hoe. Keep running circles around each snail hoe. And my shit bumping up in the jail hoe. Where you been at, mine? I'm working hard. Back in G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. The crank up on the hoe, you bitches not get me started. Being with the gangsters and playing.
Okay, so it's pretty foggy in here since I just finished washing my hair and taking a shower in the midst of washing my hair. So after I dry my hair, rinse out the dirt from the ACV Rinse, I use the African Pride Bearded Formula Peppermint, Rosemary, and Sage Strengthening Oil, and I put that all over my head. Just kind of give it some moisture after being in water for too long. So if you guys want to order it from Amazon, this is what it looked like. I did a video on this, so if you guys want to check out the review, you guys can do that. I'll link it up at the top. And I put a lot of oil because my hair soaks up oil, like a lot. I do my edges, I do my scalp, and I do the back. That is basically it. I won't be doing another one until next year. I will be getting my hair done this upcoming Sunday, so you guys will see that video. If she says okay, you can go ahead and film it, then you guys will see that in the next video. So whew, I feel so refreshed because my hair is really clean. You do the ACV Rinse, it takes out all the dirt, all the products, all of that. Like I said, I try to do it every 6 months, which is June, but time got away from me and I wasn't able to do it until this month. So yeah, y'all, thank you for watching. Don't be afraid to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video with this y'all.